Boo to you. Welcome to the Stuff and Smack Spooky Spectacular. Doc and her dad decorated the whole room with spooky spiders, bats, and ghosts. Dad got something new this year. It's a ghost in a pumpkin. When someone walks by, a little ghost pops out and says, "Boo!" Oh no, something's went wrong. The little ghost won't pop out now. It's time for a checkup. Doc puts on her stethoscope and her toys comes to life. I love all your costumes, she says. It's time to give the ghost a checkup. In no time, Doc has diagnosis. He's got ghost stuck in a pumpkin
3
syndrome. Doc loosens the screw and fixes the latch. Suddenly, out pops the little ghost. He says his name is Sebastian. Boo! Now that Sebastian is all better, Doc brings him and the rest of her toys to the spooky room, but Sebastian won't pop out of his pumpkin again. Oh no, Doc says. Sebastian must have had a relapse. Doc gives him another checkup. His latch isn't stuck. He listens to his heart. It's beating really fast. He's shaking too. Sebastian, are you afraid? Doc asked the little ghost. Sebastian
3
admits that he's scared of Halloween. Doc thinks she knows what to do. I know everyone looks scary on Halloween, but it's all pretend, Doc tells him. She introduces Sebastian to Hazel the witch. Hazel is only pretending to be scary, but she's really nice. Next, Sebastian meets a friendly bat and Scobble skeleton. Now that Sebastian knows it's all pretend, he isn't scared anymore. He's ready to get down spooky business. Happy Halloween! Boo!
Smile.